So we only have 5 small towels left. Then proceed na tayo sa big towels. Congratulations to Jai. Sino yung si Jai? Parang pamilyar.
Banana pa rin. Parang di tayo pinagalitan. Marco, isa po ito ako. Ako ba yun? Ano yun eh?
Our next winner. Last 3 winners for the small towels. Then we will proceed to big towels. Congratulations to Laika. Laika, congratulations, you won a towel. Once again, Laika, congratulations. Congratulations, Laika. You can claim your prize here. Last 2 winners for our small towel. Congratulations to Amira. Last winner for our small towels. Congratulations to our last winner in small towel, Louis. Congratulations to Louis.
Louis! Wow!
Louis, congratulations. Louis. Congratulations. Now, next winner natin for big towel. Once again, big towel, congratulations to Mel. Mel, congratulations po.
Thank you.
Here po, here po.
Thank you.
Next winner for our big towel. Okay, congratulations for our big towel, Prince. Congratulations to Prince. Ikaw man. Congratulations. Our next winner for big towel round.
Nanalo rin after long
Congratulations to Kuya Neo. Kuya Neo, congratulations. Once again, Kuya Neo, congratulations for the big towel. Next winner for our big towel. Next winner goes to Peter. Congratulations to Peter. Kuya Peter, congratulations po. Kuya Peter, congratulations. You won a big towel. Next winner Congratulations to Mont Mont. Once again, congratulations to Mont Mont. Mont? Next winner ng ating big towel goes to Clyde. Congratulations to Clyde. Once again, congratulations to Clyde. You won a big towel. Clyde. Next winner. Next winner is Kuya Jello. Congratulations, Kuya Jello. Last 6 winners for our big towel. Congratulations to Zyle. Umuwi na kasi Zyle. Okay. Next winner for our big towel. Ay, ang swerte naman ito. Ma'am Shken. Palay mo, girl. Okay na lang, girl. Inarbor, big towel eh. Pang finals mo daw. Oh! Sumpal kasi. Sumpal kasi. Now,
Thank you po.
last 4 winners ng big towel natin. Congratulations to Francis. Francis, you can claim your prize. Dito po. Congratulations sa mga pasok ng ating championship game. Congratulations to Jai and Gabby, Alden and Francis, Prince and Aina, Peter and Ken, Emma and Kobe. Congratulations! So once again, congratulations to our team na nakapasok ng championship round. Jai and Gabby, Alden and Francis, Prince and Aina, Peter and Ken, Emma and Kobe, congratulations! So ang laro po ninyo ay round robin. Round robin. Round robin po kayo. Okay, last 3 winners ng big towel natin. Congratulations to Zach. Zach? Girl, Zach, baba ka na dyan talaga. Ikaw yun. Zach? Zach? Ayun. Kinaharap kita sa taas, girl.
Para mapagpalo na. Leng, pag natapos ba, on off mo, ha?
Second to the last winner ng ating big towel. Congratulations to Pau. Pau Villanueva. Pau. Calling the attention of our players, court number 3, Prince Aina versus Peter and Ken. Once again, calling the attention of our players, court number 3, Prince and Aina versus Peter and Ken.
Sino lang dapat mag-score?
Meron si ate.
Last winner po natin ng last winner ng ating Big Tower.
Ay, pag-ending ka na.
Congratulations to John. Ay, ma'am, sa nanalo ka. Congratulations. So thank you very much and congratulations to all winners.
Ate.